Now children, let us discuss how to express all trigonometric ratios in terms of sine, all trigonometric ratios in terms of cos, all trigonometric ratios in terms of tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Already in the previous session we discussed how to express all trigonometric ratios in terms of sine. Now let us discuss how to express all trigonometric ratios in terms of cos. So first of all, how to express sine in terms of cos, children? Sin theta is equals to, we have an identity. What is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. For sin theta is equals to square root of 1 minus cos square theta. So sin in terms of cos, how? Root of 1 minus cos square theta. Sin in terms of cos, sin is equals to root of 1 minus cos square theta. And cos theta, you know, cos theta we can write it as cos theta. How to express tan in terms of cos? Cos theta is equals to cos theta. How to express tan theta in terms of cos, children? So tan theta, don't you know, tan theta can be written as, how can we write this tan theta? Tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. As already we know, sin can be written as root of 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta can be written as root of 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos theta. Next, cosecant theta. Don't you know, children, cosecant theta is equals to 1 by sin theta, and sin theta can be written as, how can we write this sin theta? 1 by, sin can be expressed in terms of cos as a root of 1 minus cos square theta. Root of 1 minus cos square theta. Next, secant theta. Secant theta is the inverse of cos theta. Very easy. Secant can be expressed as cos. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Now tan theta is equals to, final one, cot theta. Cot theta is equals to cos by sin. Cot theta can be written as cot. How can we write this cot? Cot can be written as cos by sin. That is equals to cos by sin. Already we express in terms of cot. How? Root of 1 minus cos square theta. So in this way we can express all trigonometric ratios in terms of one trigonometric ratio. Sin in terms of cos, root of 1 minus cos square theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Cos, tan can be written as sin by cos, but already we express sin as root of 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. Cosecant theta is the inverse of sin theta, so cosecant theta is equals to 1 by sin theta, and the sin can be written as root of 1 minus cos square theta. Secant, how can we express secant in terms of cos? As secant is the inverse of cos, secant is equals to 1 by cos. Secant is equals to 1 by cos. Cot can be written as cos by sin, and cos by sin already we know, root of 1 minus cos square theta. Now let us discuss, children, how to express all trigonometric ratios in terms of tan. Let us discuss all trigonometric ratios in terms of tan. Expressing all t ratios means trigonometric ratios in terms of tan, tan theta. Expressing all trigonometric ratios in terms of tan. First, sin theta. So, don't you know, children, tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. So, sin theta can be written as tan theta into cos theta, children. Tan theta into cos theta, that is equals to tan theta into cos can be written as 1 by secant, children. Cos. So how can we write that secant, children? Tan into secant can be written as root of 1 plus tan square theta. So sin theta can be written as tan theta into by root of 1 plus tan square theta. First one, sin in terms of tan. Sin theta is equals to tan theta by root of 1 plus tan square theta. You can recheck now. Tan can be written as sin by cos. This root 1 plus tan square theta can be written as secant. Secant can be written as 1 by cos. Sin by cos by 1 by cos. Cos gets cancelled, sin. So sin theta can be written as tan theta by root of 1 plus tan square theta. Cos theta. Children, how to express this cos theta in terms of tan? As cos is inverse of secant, cos is equals to 1 by secant theta. Cos theta is equals to 1 by secant theta, and secant theta can be written as root of 1 plus tan square theta. Cos theta is equals to 1 by root of 1 plus tan square theta. Next, tan can be written as tan theta is equals to tan theta. Next, cosecant theta. As we know that cosecant theta is the inverse of sin theta. Cosecant theta is the inverse of sin theta, that is cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. Already we expressed sin in terms of tan. How? 1 by tan theta by root of 1 plus tan square theta, that is equals to square root of 1 plus tan square theta by tan theta. This is about cosecant theta. And secant theta, very easily we can express secant in terms of tan by using the identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Secant theta is equal to square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Secant theta is equal to square root of 1 plus tan square theta. And cot theta, how can we express cot in terms of tan? That is equals to cot theta is the inverse of tan. You know, cot theta is equals to 1 by tan. In this way, we can express all trigonometric ratios in terms of tan. First, sine. Take tan. Tan is equal to sine by cos. Sine is equal to tan into cos. Cos can be written as 1 by secant. Secant can be written as root of 1 plus tan square. So, tan theta by root of 1 plus tan square. As cos is the inverse of secant, cos is equal to 1 by secant, 1 by root of 1 plus tan square theta. Tan is equals to tan. Cosecant is the inverse of sine. Already we expressed sine in terms of tan. The sine theta is equal to tan theta by root of 1 plus tan square theta. Therefore, cosecant theta is equals to root of 1 plus tan square theta by tan theta. Secant theta is equals to root of 1 plus tan square theta by using the trigonometric identity secant square theta minus tan square. Cot is equals to 1 by tan. Now let us discuss, children, how to express cosecant in terms of all trigonometric ratios. Cosecant in terms of all trigonometric ratios. So first, sine theta. How to express sine theta in terms of cosecant, children? Sine theta, as you know, 1 by cosecant theta. As sine theta is the inverse of cosecant theta, sine theta is equals to 1 by cosecant theta. Number 2, how to express cos theta in terms of cosecant theta? Cos theta in terms of cosecant theta. Don't you know cos theta can be written as root of 1 minus sine square theta, children? Why can't we write cos theta as root of 1 minus sine square theta? That is equals to root of 1 minus this sine can be written as 1 by cosecant, no? 1 by cosecant theta whole square, that is equals to square root of, take cosecant theta, cosecant square theta as LCM. So here you will get cosecant square theta minus 1. So which can be written as square root of cosecant square theta minus 1 by cosecant theta. So once again let me repeat, cos root of 1 minus sine square. Sine square theta can be written as 1 by cosecant theta whole square. 1 square means 1 cosecant square theta. If I take cosecant square theta as LCM, cosecant square theta minus 1 by cosecant square theta. Square root of cosecant square theta minus 1 by square root of cosecant square theta means cosecant theta. Cos theta. Next, tan theta. How to express tan in terms of cosecant? As we know that tan is nothing but sine by cos. Tan is nothing but sine by cos. Already sine can be written as 1 by cosecant. 1 by cosecant by cos can be written as root of cosecant square theta minus 1 by cosecant theta. Cosecant gets cancelled. 1 by root of cosecant square theta minus 1. Tan can be written as sine by cos, sine 1 by cosecant, cos root of cosecant square theta minus 1 by cosecant, cosecant gets cancelled, 1 by root of cosecant square theta minus 1. Next, fourth. So secant theta, cosecant theta can be written as cosecant theta, no problem. Fifth one, secant theta. Secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. Secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos. Already cos we got root of cosecant square theta minus 1 by cosecant theta. That is equal to cosecant theta minus 1 by cosecant theta by root of cosecant square theta minus 1. And cot is the inverse of tan. As cot is the inverse of tan, so cot theta is equal to square root of cosecant square theta minus 1. Cot theta is equal to square root of cosecant square theta minus 1. By using the trigonometric identity cosecant square theta minus cot square theta, also we can change that cot theta in terms of cosecant theta. In this way we can express all trigonometric ratios in terms of one trigonometric ratio. In further classes we will discuss how to express all sin theta in terms of all trigonometric ratios, cos theta in terms of all trigonometric ratios, tan theta in terms of all trigonometric ratios.